Welcome to HVAC exam practice test. Our topic today is refrigeration equipment and processes. Use the link in the description to download the app on the App Store for free practice tests. 1. What is the main function of water in air conditioning or refrigeration equipment? A. To purify the air. B. To remove heat. C. To create moisture. D. To produce oxygen. The correct answer is B. To remove heat. Explanation: water is used primarily for heat removal in various types of cooling systems, such as condensers and cooling towers. 2. Which of the following is not a common source of water impurity? A. Decaying plant life. B. Industrial waste. C. Pure water. D. Atmospheric dust. The correct answer is C. Pure water. Explanation: pure water, as described in the text, is rare and does not contain impurities. Other options are sources of water impurities. 3. What causes scaling in cooling systems? A. The growth of algae. B. The deposition of dissolved minerals. C. The introduction of industrial gases. D. The addition of oxygen. The correct answer is B. The deposition of dissolved minerals. Explanation: scaling is caused by minerals like calcium and magnesium that are deposited on equipment surfaces, reducing water flow and heat transfer. 4. How can scaling be prevented in cooling systems? A. By adding more water to the system. B. By controlling water temperature and pH levels. C. By introducing algae control agents. D. By increasing water flow rate only. The correct answer is B. By controlling water temperature and pH levels. Explanation: controlling factors such as temperature, pH, and the hardness of water can prevent scale formation in cooling systems. 5. Which type of acid is considered to cause the most severe corrosion? A. Sulfuric acid. B. Carbonic acid. C. Hydrochloric acid. D. Nitric acid. The correct answer is A. Sulfuric acid. Explanation: sulfuric acid, along with other strong acids, is aggressive and causes severe corrosion in water-cooled systems, especially when formed by industrial waste. 6. What is the primary purpose of using a cooling tower in water cooling systems? A. To store excess water. B. To remove heat from refrigerants through evaporation. C. To increase water pressure. D. To prevent corrosion in pipes. The correct answer is B. To remove heat from refrigerants through evaporation. Explanation: cooling towers are used in systems like evaporative condensers to remove heat from refrigerants by partially evaporating the water. 7. Which biological organisms are responsible for corrosion in cooling systems? A. Algae and fungi. B. Bacteria and fungi. C. Bacteria and algae. D. Fungi and slime. The correct answer is C. Bacteria and algae. Explanation: bacteria and algae are the primary biological organisms responsible for causing corrosion, especially when they grow on system components. 8. What should be done first when cleaning a cooling tower system? A. Add chemicals to the system. B. Drain the sump and remove loose sludge. C. Flush the system with water. D. Check for biological growth. The correct answer is B. Drain the sump and remove loose sludge. Explanation: the first step in cleaning a cooling tower is to drain the sump and remove debris, as they can waste the cleaning chemicals. 9. Which factor is not part of the 5 factors affecting scale formation? A. Temperature. B. pH. C. Evaporation rate. D. Alkalinity. The correct answer is C. Evaporation rate. Explanation: the 5 main factors affecting scale formation are temperature, TDS, hardness, alkalinity, and pH. Evaporation rate affects water volume, not scale formation directly. 10. How is the volume of water in a cooling system calculated? A. By measuring the tank's pressure. B. By measuring the water's temperature. C. By measuring the sump and tank dimensions. D. By calculating the weight of the water. The correct answer is C. By measuring the sump and tank dimensions. Explanation: the volume of water in the system is calculated by measuring the length, width, and depth of the sump or the diameter and depth of the tank. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for updated videos every week.